Do you ever wonder why your legs feel stiff or weak even though you're re-eating your greens? I'm Dr. Mateo. Today, I'll guide you through 8 everyday vegetables that may be quietly sapping your leg strength, and introduce you to doctor-recommended swaps that support stronger, more comfortable legs. Vegetables are vital for healthy aging, but some can trigger digestive upset, inflammation, or nutrient imbalances in older adults. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn which 8 veggies can cause trouble, why they affect your leg health, and the gentle, nutrient-dense alternatives that help you stay steady on your feet. 1. Mushrooms. Summer squash mushrooms contain a tough fiber called chitin, which can irritate a sensitive, aging digestive tract. When digestion slows or gases build up, legs can feel fatigued and heavy. Mrs. Ronnie, age 71, once loved mushroom stroganoff, but chronic bloating left her calves feeling like lead. After switching to summer squash, her digestion smoothed out, and evening walks felt easier. Summer squash is 95% water, gently hydrating cells without diluting electrolytes. It provides vitamin C and manganese for collagen health, plus gentle fiber that feeds gut bacteria without the digestive stress of chitin. 2. Kale. Romaine lettuce. Raw kale is rich in goitrogens compounds that can interfere with thyroid function when eaten in large amounts. An underactive thyroid slows metabolism, leading to muscle weakness and slowed nerve signals in the legs. Mr. Qureshi, 68, blended daily kale smoothies until he developed leg heaviness. After swapping in romaine lettuce, his thyroid markers improved and his leg strength returned. Romaine delivers vitamin K for bone mineralization, folate for red blood cell production, and high water content, all with virtually no goitrogens. It's tender on the teeth and gentle on the thyroid. 3. Eggplant. Zucchini. Eggplant contains solanine, an alkaloid that can irritate nerves in sensitive seniors, leading to tingling or weakness in the lower limbs. Mrs. Fatima, 72, experienced pins and needles in her calves after baked eggplant dinners. She replaced eggplant with zucchini stir-fries, and her neuropathy symptoms subsided. Zucchini delivers potassium to regulate muscle contractions, plus antioxidants that protect nerve and muscle cells without solanine or lectin irritation. 4. Tomatoes. Beets. Tomatoes are acidic and contain lectins, which can aggravate reflux and mild gut inflammation. Pairing nutrient uptake vital for leg muscle repair. Mr. Hassan, 70, suffered heartburn and afternoon leg cramps after tomato-based sauces. Steamed beets replaced his tomato dishes and eased both his reflux and calf strength. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, improving blood flow and reducing cramps. They also provide folate and betalain antioxidants to fight inflammation. 5. Bell peppers. Carrots. Raw bell peppers contain lectins that can cause bloating and indirect leg fatigue. Mrs. Actor, 69, swapped her crunchy pepper slices for tender cooked carrots and noticed her legs felt significantly lighter. Carrots supply beta-carotene for vision and muscle support, plus soluble fiber that nurtures gut flora. They're easy to digest when cooked and naturally sweet. 6. Cabbage. Bok choy. Cabbage is high in FODMAPs, fermentable carbs that produce gas and tension, sometimes radiating into the legs. Mr. Rahman, 74, replaced daily coleslaw with bok choy stir-fries, and his gas-related leg spasms disappeared. Bok choy is low FODMAP, offering calcium and vitamin K for bone health, plus vitamins A and C for tissue repair without uncomfortable gas. 7. Peas. Green beans. Peas contain moderate purines, which can raise uric acid and worsen joint stiffness in ankles and knees. Mrs. Zara, 70, switched her split pea curry to green beans and saw joint pain ease within a month. Green beans are low in purines, yet high in vitamin K and C for collagen formation, with fiber to stabilize blood sugar and steady energy. 8. Okra. Sweet potatoes. Okra's mucilage and lectins can cause digestive stickiness and mild inflammation, manifesting as aching calves or ankles. Mr. Shehzad 75 traded okra stew for baked sweet potatoes and regained digestive ease and leg comfort. Sweet potatoes supply complex carbs and fiber for steady energy, plus beta-carotene, potassium, and magnesium to support muscle function and prevent cramps. Frequently asked questions. 1. Will I lose nutrients by swapping? Not at all. These alternatives often provide equal or even greater levels of key vitamins, minerals, and gentle fiber. 2. How soon will I feel better? Many seniors notice reduced stiffness and stronger legs within 2 to 4 weeks. And 3. Can caregivers help? Absolutely. Simple meal planning with these gentle veggies can transform daily comfort. Today, we replaced mushrooms, kale, eggplant, tomatoes, bell peppers, cabbage, peas, and okra with summer squash, romaine lettuce, zucchini, beets, carrots, bok choy, green beans, and sweet potatoes, each chosen for their superior digestibility, nutrient density, and muscle-supporting benefits. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more doctor-crafted senior health tips. Share with a fellow senior or caregiver. And tell us in the comments which swap you'll try first. Here's to stronger, happier legs, no matter your age.